Well, I gotta make a correction here. This white that you see in there, well, turns out that is overspray. So I guess in the future I gotta do a better job of masking the parts off. I'm gonna do it just a little bit differently this time. Got my spray booth aimed in a little bit more conducive way. I got my paint shaken, and if there's any extra I can always pour it back. Okay, put our cap on. And the furnace is already turned off. Some of you are going to notice that yes, the bottom half of the hull is a little blotchy in places. In other words, you can see the primer through the green. But you know, I figured because I knew it, I didn't have to do it again. If this sort of thing happens when I'm doing the hull red on the Bismarck, well, yes, then I will go over it again, even if it means I have to go back to the model store and get some more paint. But this is just the practice one. This is mainly to help me learn how to use the airbrush. And it did that. Thanks, Tony. I have a little touch up to do there with the green. Do you know what, folks? I think I'm done practicing. Well, I did give it a little touch here. You may have seen me do that. Not that it's going to make any difference. I'm done practicing. Okay, as you can see here, I've rearranged the furniture. Now the idea is that I can sort of paint the back half, then the mid half, and then the front half. 3 halves? Anyway, I think you get the idea. And then I can spray like here. Turn it 90 degrees. Spray here. If I get that little hair off of there. And then turn it another 90 degrees. And spray this side. I think this is going to work out okay. Yeah, didn't get a whole lot done on the Bismarck this episode. But at least I got this jig made up. Oh, you probably want to see how is it fastened, alright? Okay, very simple. I just fastened it to these two cross braces at the front and the back. And it's all made up out of scraps. Yeah. I think that's it though for this episode. Tomorrow maybe we'll put the primer on. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.